Welcome to the Tech Pro Max channel. In anticipation of the imminent announcement of Vivo X Fold, authoritative insider revealed all the specifications and cost of the brand's first foldable smartphone. The source claims that Vivo X Fold will be available in gray, blue, and black colors. The smartphone will receive a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, 12GB of RAM, and 512GB of internal memory, as well as a 4600 mAh battery with support for 66W fast wire charging and up to 50W wireless. The novelty is equipped with an external 6.53-inch OLED display with Full HD Plus resolution and a refresh rate of 120Hz and an 8.0-inch foldable screen with a frequency of 120Hz and an integrated fingerprint scanner. On the back of the Vivo X Fold is a 50-megapixel main camera, 48-megapixel ultra-wide camera, 12-megapixel secondary sensor and a 5-megapixel periscope. According to the insider, the base Vivo X Fold will start at $1,900, which is more expensive than the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3, which was originally priced at $1,800. Recall that the official announcement of Vivo X Fold, Vivo X Note and Vivo Pad will take place on Monday, on the 11th of April. And that's all for now. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you!